It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! Oh my gosh, you guys, how embarrassing. I just noticed my lipstick was on crooked for my last video. Seriously? I ate dinner and then I put my lipstick back on and I'm like, I think it's crooked. I still remember I had dental work the other day and my lip, for the most part, it's better, but my mouth is still a little bit like sore and I'm not putting lipstick on. So forgive me for my crooked lipstick. Oh my gosh. I've got some fun videos. I got a couple of little videos for you guys today. I've got Ipsy. I haven't done my Ipsy September box yet. It's called Enter Your Soft Era. I am part of the Ipsy Creator Program, and they send me the bag, the Boxycharm, and the icon box for free every month. I get the icon box every 3 months, but it's so exciting to kind of like get Ipsy. So I'm gonna dig into the September bag here. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute it is. I want to put this right in my purse. That's adorable. I like the bag this month. Very folly. Okay, so what do we have in here? Ooh. Okay. What do we have? We have got, oh, you know what? Sometimes they stick something. Yep. Like, if it's not in the bag, it's in the bag. I got a brush. Always fun to get a brush. I got the Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly from Innisfree, Brightening Glow. That's kind of cool. I got the, what is this? I can't read it. A Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. I got the Toy Factory Click Stick. What is this? I think it's a lipstick. Intense color, all skin tones. Oh, it's an eyeshadow. And then, oh, I got Pixie. Pixie by Petra. I like them. Eye Define Waterline. Is this white? I like a white waterline. That's always fun. So that was in the little bag, and I'm going to open the big box. I should have brought my scissors over here, but no, I didn't. Let me see here if I can open the box without scissors. I got it. Check it out. Look at this Boxycharm. We got a little flyer in here that says, enter your soft era. Put that aside here, and then what do we get in here? Glass Skin. This is a cleansing foam by Olivia Uma. Always fun to get a cleansing foam. I like cleansing foam, so try that out in the shower. I got a triple sec, 3-in-1 finishing spray from Dry Bar. This is exciting. Now I can do my big 80s hair. I'll have to say, when Lenny and I did that video last weekend with the whole rock and roll thing, I had so much hairspray in my hair, I could barely get it out. It was like a helmet. Remember the helmet hair? I did helmet hair. So I wonder if this is going to make it hair. This is a finishing spray. It might not be that intense. I got the Had Me at Primer. Who is this by? Pinky Bee Beauty. Illuminating Primer. Check it out. Never heard of them before. I wonder if this is a new company. Let me just peek at this. I'll certainly try them. Always good to have a couple primers around. I like primers. Oh, Viva La Chicas. Oh, check this out. Is this a blush? That's always fun. Viva La Chicas. How fun. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, and it's got a mirror. This is nice to put in your purse. Look at that. So there's 3 different products here. There is a nude base, a bright pop, and a glitter. Look at that. That's actually kind of cool. Okay. That's fun. Who is this by the way? Who is it by? It is by Elamar. So I got that. And then, final product, I got a Reversal Rose Hip Intense Recovery Eye System by Kate Berkey. So if you're interested in trying out Ipsy, check that out. I do have a link below. Click on the link, check out the bag, the Boxycharm box, and like I said, every 3 months I get the icon box. So Ipsy September, pretty exciting. I always love getting Ipsy. It's always fun. It's like a fun little Christmas gift every month. Anyway, thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending me that. If you have any questions, check out the link. They have a lot of information on their site. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.